Hi friends, welcome. Friends, this is the question from 2001 question paper and it was for 2 marks. Here question is for the circular tube of equal length and diameter shown in the figure below, the view factor F13 is 0.17. The view factor F12 this case will be, these are the options, and here friends view factor means it is also called as shape factor. It is also called as configuration factor, and it is also called as here surface factor. Okay, and here this is the figure friends. Here as you can see, this is surface 1 which has A1 area. This is surface 2, that is this periphery which has A2 surface area, and this is again another surface which has A3 surface area, and here it is diameter is equal to L, that is length, and here this is the diameter. Okay, here friends, this F12 is we have to find out here we need to find out F12. Okay, here friends, this is the we have to find out here shape factor of surface 1 with surface 1 with respect to surface 2. Okay, further friends, here for finding out shape factor of surface 1, there are 3 shape factors we need to find out here, which are F11, that is here shape factor with respect to itself, and then F12 is shape factor of surface 1 with respect to surface 2, then F13, that is shape factor with respect to surface 3. Okay, now here friends, so for this surface 1, for surface 1, that is this one friends, here we have here F11 plus F12 plus F13, which is equal to 1. And here friends, for as you can see, this surface 1 is a flat surface. Okay, that is like this. This is, suppose this is a circle, and here this is a flat one. So now here for flat surface friends, for flat surface, in our case here it is a flat surface, also flat surface, here F11 and F33 is also, you can see, a flat surface. So for flat surface shape factor is 0. Here friends, remember one thing, for flat surface as well as for convex surface, the shape factor is with respect to itself. Okay, with respect to itself, this case is always 0. Okay, this is because friends, here for flat or convex surface, one cannot see or view any other part of the same surface. For these two surfaces, no one cannot see or view okay, any other part of the same surface. Okay, so now here friends, as we know the F11 is 0, so here we have now F12 plus F13 is equal to 1. Now we will put the value of F13, which is 0.17. So here f12 plus 0.17 is equal to 1. So after calculating this and solving this, we will get f12 is equal to 0.83. Okay, this is the answer for this question, friends. And in the options here, option D is the correct answer for this question. So friends, in this video we have understood the question based on view factor of circular tube. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.